Hello, if you want to cast the YouTube application from your POCO C75 into any other devices, like for example into your TV, then you will have to simply open this YouTube application and now click on this icon. And right now we've got two options. So if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network on your phone and on your TV, then your TV will pops up right here and you can just tap on it and connect. But let's say that you are not connected, or for example, if you have some kind of the connection issue, then this method works every time. You will have to select link with a TV code, and now you've got a simple instruction that on your TV you will have to open the YouTube application, you will have to open settings of the YouTube application on your TV, and then you will have to scroll down to the link with a TV code. And then the code that will appear on your TV, you will have to input this code right here. And when the code is correct, then you will be able to click on the link button and you will be immediately connected.